Okay, back on the Philco 1802. Hopefully this will be the last installment of this restoration. Just to put you up to speed to what I've done since the last video that we found out that in fact this chassis is operating. I started out by taking the picture tube out. I did another test on the Philco CR70. Got the same results as I got on the first look video. This tube tests great. Went through, touched up the soldering on the pins, took the tube out, checked the yoke good, tried to remove some of the rust. As you can see, it still has quite a bit of rust on there. Went through the schematic for the yoke, as well as checking the ohm readings on the transformer, the yoke transformer. Everything was great. So I was basically at a standstill, scratching my head. Didn't really know where to go next till the last idea that I got before I was just going to put this in a pile and let it set for a while was, well, what about my ion trap magnet? It's the original Philco part, okay, but somewhere along the line when this tube was changed, maybe it doesn't like this ion trap. It's still magnet. This is a metal cabinet. It's still got magnetic qualities to it. But what I did was went into my parts bin and said, let's just last ditch effort, see what happens. Found this ion trap magnet. I don't even know where it came from. Don't know what part number it is. Threw it on there, and lo and behold, not only do I have sound now, I have a raster. And it looks like a pretty strong raster. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to hook up a signal here and we'll see what we get. Okay, I think this is going to wrap up the Philco 1802. Finally have a picture going, and it looks pretty good, despite how this camera is making it look. Turned out pretty good. So, nice and bright picture. Pretty good clarity. I still probably could tweak a little bit on the picture, the linearity on it, but looks pretty good. Now the only thing I really need to finish this project off is a back for the set. Don't have a back for this set, so probably post onto Philco Forum, Video Karma, Antique Radio Forum, some of those, and see if I can find someone that has a part set that has a back, and then be able to pick up the antenna leads, put a good antenna on top of it, and watch the TV through the broadcast. Okay, here's a final look at the Philco T1802 from 1952. It's getting a great picture. As you can see, it's a nice, bright, strong picture tube, just like it tested on the CR70. The only problem I still have is there's a buzz coming from that speaker, and you can see right there, there's a buzz control. And I've adjusted that buzz control, but I'm not getting much much change from that, and put a brand new 6v6 in there, audio output tube. Still got a buzz going on, so I need to go through all the tubes on that RF chassis. I just realized I hadn't as of yet, so I'll probably end up doing that, but that's okay. TV's performing fantastic. Now all I need is a back for it, so that it'd be a completely restored, functioning TV. I mean, I can play it like that, but pretty proud, pretty happy with it. Turn the light off here. See if I can get a better effect on the camera. Darken it up a little bit for the camera. There we go. Really great picture. That picture tube is almost brand new. So, I think this is going to bring this restoration to a conclusion. I hope you've enjoyed watching the restoration of the Philco T1802.
Wait a minute, Gilly. How do we know that the Howes are all that rich?
They had a whole trunk full of money. They showed it to us.
But how do we know that they didn't steal it?